Hello, another day, another... What the fuck is this video called? Yeah, the kids screaming in the background. It's a long day. I've started filming videos later in the day. I've just started filming videos later in the day and it's not working out so well because my mind is just like... Before I get started, a lot of you guys ask me where my phone cases are from. I get lots of messages. I get my phone cases from Shein. And just throwing that out there again, the website is called Shein. S-H-E-I-N. It's not Sheen. It's not Shine. It's Shein. That's the name of the website. That's where I get my phone cases from. They're not the most protective phone cases in the world. No, they're very cheap phone cases, but because I like to switch mine out so often, that's where I buy my cases. Yeah, that's where I get my phone cases from. Now you guys know. Now you know. My memory card's full. This is my life lately. I got no charged batteries. My memory card's full. Hold on. I'm back. First question. Hello, I'm new to your channel and have a few questions. Do you cross list? If so, and what do you use? Okay, so yeah, I got a couple questions. Okay, first, yes, do I cross list? Yes, I do, and I use Vendoo. I really like Vendoo. I have tried List Perfectly, but in my opinion, Vendoo is better. I do have a code with them. I will link it down below. I think you get 25% off your first month. I think that's what it is. It'll be down below. But yes, I cross list. I use Vendoo. And I like it. I do. Your other question, best advice to someone first starting out? Oh my gosh. I don't know. The first thing that comes to my mind is don't buy something just because it's cheap. Look up comps. Just because something is $1, it doesn't mean that it's worth your time or money. If you're unsure of something, definitely look it up. Do research. I don't know, that's just the first thing that came to my mind. I have lots of advice for someone first starting out. Maybe I'll do a video. And next question, does sharing other people's closets do anything or is it a waste of time? All right, so there's like conflicting opinions about this. A lot of resellers will say, oh no, it's a waste of time, don't do it, I think that you should prioritize your own closet before other people's closets. I think that you should do everything that you need to do with your closet first. And if you have time, then yes, share other people's closets. I actually shared some other people's listings before this video and I have 47 new notifications right now. Now, most of these are going to be, or like 95% of these are going to be shares. So other people sharing my shit and follows as well. I mean, yes, it does do something. It gets people to follow you. It gets people to share your things. Will those shares result in sales? Who knows? They might. So, you know, it's worth a shot. Again, I would not share someone else's closet before you share your closet. I would do everything that you need to do. Like if you're, if you have like an hour to kill and you have done everything that you need to do with your business and you have like 5 minutes, share other people's closets. Yes, do it because it will bring action to your closet in the form of a share, a follow, maybe potentially a sale. But again, that's not something I would spend a lot of time on. Okay, and I think that was your last question. Yes. All right, next question. I know that you know Nicole State is back on YouTube, but did you see that she reactivated her Instagram account? What do you think about that? And regarding Sydney, okay, you have another question. All right, so what do I think about that? I mean, I knew it was inevitable. She's done this so many times over the past how many years. She's had a scandal. She disappears for a while. Then she comes back and acts like, oh my gosh, I'm a changed person. I'm so sorry. Then she tricks all the new people that follow her because they don't know about her past. Yeah, I knew it was coming sooner or later. I mean, she can do whatever. She's always going to be a scammer in my mind until she proves otherwise. And she's never going to prove otherwise because she's continuing to scam. So, and you ask, and regarding Sydney, do you know how the petition to get her banned from Poshmark is doing? So I mentioned in a previous video that one of you guys reached out to me and started a petition on change.com, I think it's called. One of you guys made a petition to get her banned from Poshmark. I don't know how that's going. Like I said, another person is in charge of that. I will reach out to that person and ask them. I'll see if they'll let me say like who they are or if they'll let me know like how it's going, but I don't know. I don't know how it's going. I got a couple of comments from you guys being like, oh my God, that's so silly. And it's like, I mean, honestly, do I think it's going to do anything? Probably not, but it's a start to try to smarten these people up, to try to maybe smack them across the face and knock some sense into them and get them to stop hurting other people and scamming other people and stealing money from other people. So yeah, like I said, I don't really think it's going to do much, but it's a start. I'll reach out to that person and I'll let you guys know what they say. Okay, next question. What are your thoughts? Oh my gosh. What are your thoughts on the formula shortage right now? Do you think people on eBay should be selling formula when there's a shortage? No, I don't. No. If you are selling formula on eBay, you're a piece of shit. My youngest is 17 months, so luckily he was weaned off formula before the shortage started. That's all babies can eat is formula or breast milk. And don't be one of those ignorant fucks that's like, why don't you just breastfeed? It's like, who tweeted that? Somebody, oh, Bette Midler. She was like, try breastfeeding. It's free and available on demand or some ignorant shit like that. It's like, bitch, you don't even just no, take that back. Erase that from history because that was fucking stupid to say. A lot of people cannot breastfeed. There are babies that won't breastfeed, like they won't latch properly. There's many reasons why somebody does not breastfeed. Don't tell a mother just to breastfeed because there's many reasons why she can't. Well, if a baby's not breastfed, they have to have formula. Babies can't have, well, this has changed over the years. When my 17-year-old, I have a 17-month-old and a 17-year-old. Holy shit. I'm still amazed by shit daily. When my 17-year-old was a baby, back then, doctors were like, 4 months is when you can start giving them, solid foods. You can try them out. But now they recommend 6 months. And there's even some doctors that are like, no, wait until a year old. Food before 1 is just for fun. So I don't know. There's been studies and research and shit. But a baby's main source of nutrients before the age of 1 is either breast milk or formula. So for these people to be selling that shit, like it blows my mind. It blows my mind. Like and why isn't eBay cracking down on this? Hopefully the people that are selling this don't have children because if they do, fucking shame on them. I gotta stop talking about it because it makes me so angry. But do you know how the Poshmark boycott went? I haven't heard any news on it. Okay, so if you didn't know, somebody tried to have a Poshmark boycott. It was like at the beginning of May. They said they were gonna boycott Poshmark for a day. Everyone put your closets on vacation mode for a day. I guess this person's putting theirs on vacation mode for a month. I didn't hear anything about it. I don't think it made a difference. It affected anything. I think it was just kind of a flop. Yeah, I don't think it did anything except make all those people that did the boycott lose out on sales those days. Like, that makes sense. We're not making sales, so we're going to boycott Poshmark by making it like 100% so that we can't get sales. Like, that makes sense. Okay, I've been rambling. Last question. Have you tried other sites like Depop and Kittison? So I have tried both of them actually. Depop, I don't know. I'm too old for Depop, I think. I don't know. I don't vibe with it. I'm not modeling my clothes. I don't know. I just don't. I don't like Depop. And then Kittison, I tried putting a couple kids things on there and I didn't really have much luck. Depop and Kittison both deactivate your listings, I think, after a month, which is good. I feel like every selling platform should do that. Like Poshmark, where are you at? Why the fuck aren't you doing that? So I've had my listings deactivated like a couple times on Depop and I think once on Kittison, and I was just like, okay, no. I just sell on Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay. I've been putting a lot of focus into eBay. That's been going really well. But yeah, I don't sell on any other platform except Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay. I haven't tried TradeZ or anything like that. What's another one? Curtsy. Do people still use Curtsy? Is that still an app? I haven't tried that one. But I have tried Depop and Kittison and I didn't like them. And that is it. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below or send me a DM on Instagram. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.